All right, so we've talked about set operations, and here's an example. We're setting the text property of this label. Okay, increment is a special kind of set, and what it means is change something not to 7 or 15, change something to its current value plus one, or its current value minus one, something like that. And kind of the example is, one example is this is a countdown app, and what we do is we change the number in this label to minus one every time. And if you want to see it running, this code, as I preview this code, when I click go, the label text just changes from 9 to 8 to 7. It always changes to one less than it was. And so let's just take a look at this block. And this is such a key fundamental to coding, is this increment operation. So you really want to understand how it works. And kind of the order of how this works is very important. So like you might think, oh, it's left to right like English, but that's not really what happens. What happens is when the app starts performing these blocks, we call it executing these blocks, the first thing that happens is it goes and gets the current value of the label. So, maybe that's 5. Maybe there's a 5 on there. It gets the 5. The second operation is it adds 1 or subtracts 1, right? And then finally, the last thing that happens is it changes the property. So kind of does this formula on the right, and then finally changes the operation. So kind of you might think of it as the order as being kind of right to left, right? Do the formula first and then actually do the set, or kind of inside out, right? As far as how things are actually executed.